What's up? It's morning now, and I'm so cold for some reason. I mean, could be because it's winter, but still, I'm freezing until I'm wearing a beanie, 2 hoodies, leggings, and long socks. Hey, look. It's my cat. His stocking's in there, and it's got catnip in it, and he has been trying to get into my closet so much. Every opportunity he gets, he tries to sneak in there and get his catnip, and he's succeeded a few times. You really want that catnip, don't you? Just woke up, just got out of bed. I'm gonna go eat, and then I don't know, it's significantly earlier today when I got up than it was yesterday. It is only 10:30, almost 11 now, as opposed to yesterday when I woke up. It was like 1. So I've got a fair amount of time before I need to start working on food. So we'll see how it goes. Am I gonna eat the Oreo truffles that I made for breakfast, or made yesterday for breakfast? They're so good. Like, I actually cannot express how good these are. Oh my gosh. Alright, I decided since I'm already down here for breakfast, I would just go ahead and make today's treat. So, it's in the oven right now. Oh, hey, look. I spilled egg on the oven. Fun. Yeah, it's pretzel twists with caramels on top of them right now. And I just put them in the oven at 200. Because I don't know what temperature they're actually supposed to go in. Caramel doesn't take much to melt it, right? Yeah, and I'm not even keeping track of how long they're in there. I just need them to get not melted, but squishy, so that they'll adhere to the pretzels underneath them. Wow, I can't think of words at all. And so while those are in there, we are going to, you guessed it, melt some chocolate. Got a little, these ones that I made yesterday. And then the actual bar of the chocolate. And I'm going to melt them. And then when those are done and cooled off, I'm going to dip them and then put sprinkles on them. And that's pretty much it. I like to start out with the easy ones to ease myself into baking again every day. But I should, what other easy ones do I have? Because I should place some easy ones in between the big ones so that I don't get burned out. I can just revert to having an easy one after, on a day that I don't necessarily feel like making a lot. Went a little extravagant this year. Alright, they're finished. I just posted the Instagram and my Snapchat. They're done. Whoa! I just kind of smushed the caramel down a little bit once I pulled them out of the oven. Like I said, I didn't want them melted, just enough that I could smush them and they'd stay on the pretzel. And then I dipped them in the melted chocolate and put some sprinkles on. Oh, that looks like it has a little heart. Cute. I haven't actually eaten one yet, so let's... We're good. There we go. That's a thumbs up. Anyways, now I'm gonna... Ow! My wisdom teeth are coming in, so eating hurts really bad. Especially crunchy things. Like pretzels. Yeah. So now I'm gonna put these away. And go back upstairs and knit like an old lady. And watch YouTube videos and Netflix until I have to work. Because that's basically all I do with my life. Is I make food. And I knit. And I watch Netflix. And I work. My life is very not exciting. I just got off work. And it is so windy outside. It's like... It's the wind that like pushes you over as you walk. I need to get gas, but it's too windy and I don't want to because windy also means cold and I don't want my beanie to fly away. The wind blew over a porta potty. Oh no, oh no. There's lots of construction happening in my neighborhood. Building new houses. Obviously, and so there are porta potties in places, and some of them have blown over. Only one, actually. I only saw one. Oh no, it's blowing people's Christmas lights off their houses. Oh no, oh no. I hope it didn't blow ours off. Oh no. I am to a concern now. Oh, it looks okay. Are we, are we okay? Look, we look okay. Yeah, okay. We're good. We're good. I'm at my house now. All right. Christmas lights at my house are secure. Way to go, Wade.